Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, VMC Tool v2, 1 or later, and the Cipher B module present. Once done, back up your key material and load a small test dataset to avoid corrupting production. Next, set a test vector batch size of 64 to speed iterations while keeping diagnostics clear. Make sure verbose logging is enabled and run the hardware RNG check for 0.5 to 1 second to confirm entropy. This gets you into a safe, actionable state immediately. You execute the core divergence flow by running the divergence command in probing mode with threshold equals 0.01 to capture subtle deviations. As it runs, compare output states across runs using Hamming distance, timing deltas, and percent error rates to quantify divergence. Once differences appear, isolate the problematic rounds and switch tracing to step-by-step to pinpoint the instruction or operation causing the split. Make sure to keep paired inputs consistent, so you measure algorithm divergence versus input. You finish by addressing the root cause. Patch or revert the differing micro-ops identified, and then rerun the full test suite 3 times to confirm stability. Once consistent, record outputs using a fixed seed and publish a signed hash for audit trails. If the divergence returns, make sure to inspect hardware factors like thermal throttling, clock skew, and memory ECC errors, because these often manifest as intermittent Cipher B divergences. One key tip: reproduce with a different machine to rule out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.